Hello friends, welcome back to Ria's kitchen. Today we will be baking eggless chocolate cake in microwave oven. It is very easy to prepare and let's see what we will be needing. So here I have taken 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup of sugar which I have powdered. Take a grinder jar and just grind it to a powdered shape. 1 cup of whole milk, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Here it is half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed. Here 1 tablespoon lime juice and 3 tablespoon oil and vanilla extract. I will be baking the cake in this silicone tray, heart shape. You can use any shape, and microwave shape bowl. Okay, at first we will prepare the batter, and we will need to sieve this because we don't want any lumps. So at first I will add the maida or flour in this strainer and we will sieve it. Okay, so I have sieved the sugar and the flour, and now we will add the cocoa powder and the baking powder and baking soda in the same procedure. So our sieving process has been done. I will give it a gentle mix, and I will now add the whole milk. Don't add so if all the whole milk at once. We will just do it like this. We will mix the milk in very nicely with all the other ingredients to make a smooth batter. Okay, so after mixing the milk, we will add the lemon juice. You see, adding of lemon juice is completely optional, but it will react with the baking soda and baking powder and it will help the cake to be soft. So I prefer to add it. And let's mix it once again. And also we will add 3 tablespoons of oil. Alright, now see, the cake has become so glazy and shiny. Okay, so now we will mix it to form a smooth batter, the final batter, and then we will bake. And I was about to forget about the vanilla essence. We will add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence here. Just a few drops maybe. And mix everything all together. Okay, so our batter has been prepared. Now we will add this batter in this silicone tray. At first we need to grease it with oil so that the batter of the cake doesn't get stick to the this utensil. Okay, I have greased it nicely, and now we will add the batter here. Okay, so now it's baking time. Okay, so I am now I will be preheating the microwave in 180 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes, and then I will insert the cake. Okay, so our oven has been preheated. Now I will add the silicone tray here, and again in convection mode 180 degrees centigrade I will bake it for 35 minutes. Okay, so our cake baking is about to end, and we will take it out of the oven. Okay, so now we won't take it out at once. We will allow it to cool down for half an hour, then we will take it out in a tray. Hello, so our cake has cooled down, and now we will take it in a plate. So we will just place it like this and turn it upside down, and ta-da! Okay, if you want we can just flip the cake like this. Okay, so our chocolate cake is ready. It will taste yummy, and you saw how easy it was. So do try it in your home, and it is very easy to prepare the cake, bake the cake. You saw if you have that micro oven, so you won't have any complex situation in baking the cake. So do try it in your home and let me know how it was, and if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what type of recipes you want, or let me know if you want to give me any suggestions or feedbacks. Do mention that in the comment box below, and till my next recipe, bye.